to November. This year is freaking flying by, you guys. It is flying by. It has come in. It has not taken any names. It has not stopped for brunch. It is just fucking the door. Freaking. But welcome to November. We have some things to talk about, so let's get into it. So today with our check-in, we are going to talk a little bit about body positivity, a little bit about the healthy at every size movement, talk about a few things here, and we're going to try and make this short. My goal for the videos this month are to keep them a little shorter than what I have been for a while.
Size matters not.
I just feel like it might keep attention more, and I'm really trying to, at this point, sort of grow the channel. So I'm really hoping that the shorter videos will get more attention. So without further ado, I want to talk a little bit about Taylor Swift.
Taylor Swift.
Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift.
Taylor is so fat phobic.
Now hold on. I've never been the most biggest fan of her at all, really. Like, I liked a few of her, hits or whatever, but I never was actually too into her music. Recently, she has dropped an album called Midnight. 10 of her songs are on the Billboard Top 10 of the Hot 100. So that's like insane, especially with all the blowback she's been getting lately because of one of her videos for Anti-Hero, which is one of my favorite songs on the new CD. Basically, there is a scene in Anti-Hero where she is standing on the scale and looking down. Instead of seeing a number, she sees fat. There was an uproar about it. They were upset, saying she is body shaming, that she is not being positive. For someone to be so inclusive with people, it's so interesting to see that she was not being body positive. The thing is, the video is about her personal struggle. It is about how she has been berated by the media practically her entire career about her figure, even though she's been skinny this whole time, right? She's been very open about her eating disorders and about her struggles. And so it is kind of not just annoying to me, but sick that people are making this all about them. It got to the point where she got so much blowback about it that she changed her video, which honestly to me takes away from the message. Granted, I am on the heavier side compared to T Swift. There is someone that, even though they look so good to like everyone else, they feel that way as well because of the world around them. And it made me feel more relatable to her. But I don't know, the whole thing just rubbed me the wrong way. It made me a little uncomfortable. That's all I really want to say, but if you have any comments about it, definitely leave it below. I may not reply, but I do want to read what you have to say on the matter because I find it interesting, everyone's personal opinions about it. I just wish people would keep in mind, not everything is about you. They're not about me. It is about them, and they are just sharing how they feel with the world. Today is my check-in. For the last 2 weeks, I've been every other day trying to hit 10,000 steps to prepare for this month, because for the month of November, I plan to hit 10,000 steps every single day. I may have a couple rest days here and there that don't have it. For the majority of every day though, I plan to hit 10,000 steps. So that's going to be my month-long sort of challenge. So I wanted to share my updates with you guys. So mid-October, I was about 147 pounds. And then today, on November the 1st, I am 148.2. One thing I definitely want to keep in mind is that I am starting my cycle soon. I am already feeling the cramps and everything. So we are going to fluctuate during this time of the month. So definitely trying to keep that in mind so that I'm not too wrapped up by this number. Bust is still 38. Chest is at 32.5 still. Waist went up 1 inch to 32. And then belly stayed the same at 36. And then my butt went back up half an inch. My thighs still 19.19, arms still 11.5. There really has not been much fluctuation between October 16th and November the 1st. But that's where I'm at. I do still have the same goals to get down to about between 135 to 145, 34-inch belly, 40-inch butt, arm muscle definition. Yeah, so I do have my challenges coming up, and then I'm also trying to work on my posture for this quarter. So for the month of November, I'm really gonna go all in. So that's where I am right now, keeping in track in a new booklet.
May the force be with you.
I do want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please leave a comment below if you have any suggestions or if you have any opinions on the topic I was discussing at the front of this video. It is very special to me. Guys, we are up over 100 subscribers now, so that is amazing and honestly a little shocking to me. Mainly probably due to my shorts, so if you haven't checked those out, definitely check those out. If you are new to my channel, my name is ItsKristiiAly. I'm on a journey to a healthier lifestyle, so if you guys would like to follow along on my journey, definitely subscribe and leave a like on this video if you you liked it. If you have any suggestions for any challenges or any recipes I could try, please leave the comments below. I do plan to make a video about one of my favorite Thanksgiving meals that I made for the first time when I was really young. I was in middle school. So definitely stay tuned for that. That'll be in a couple weeks. I do hope you have a wonderful rest of your week.